students. Today I'm teacher.
Yeah, you're a teacher. Go.
What is plus?
What is
Ayaw siya giri kainat.
plus?
Equals.
Plus equals.
With a money. No.
Hmm.
Okay, guys. Okay, students. Today we're getting get the recipe. Get your mukbang. Now. Now.
I got my notebook.
Bro.
Stop, ano ba? Stop laughing, ma.
Is that the mukbang?
Buk.
You need something in your bag, please.
Okay. Here's my notebook.
Well,
No, go get your notebook daw. Dali na, kuya, bilis.
Totoong notebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she's a teacher.
She's a teacher. Go.
hurry up.
Hurry up. Double
1
time.
minute. Hour. 1. Okay. Bro, is that a book? The big one.
Buk.
A big one,
Eh,
bro.
This is a big one.
Okay, let me show you. Come on. Where's your study? Bro.
Just a drawing.
As a drawing, what is there the line? You're something lava? That's an
Ayun, lagi
earthquake.
katawa na.
What is the earthquake? Why?
Yeah. That's
Why are you
because
putting your head? I put your head in place. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Why is that the ground? What?
that's because the ground is important.
Stop laughing, kuya ba.
Without a ground, we will fall. All of us will fall down.
Is that be quiet? How it is? This?
This? Hey.
Don't do that. Teacher do that to you.
No.
You're a teacher, right? You're supposed to be good.
Good. Why not?
No, the teacher shouted you?
No.
Okay.
This one.
Stop laughing, marabig. Diyan
It's iron.
Iron gold.
Stop
Why? Because
laughing.
we did iron gold. Why?
Because we found it. We found iron and gold. And
Teacher said face the wall. In there.
Why?
Face the wall.
Face the wall.
Face the wall. Bro, here.
Gingon anak siguro siya ba? Yan anak siguro.
I said face the wall there.
Why? Why you are facing the wall, kuya? Kuya did not do anything wrong.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Minutes pag yun.
Ow.
In 1 hour. Dugaya to.
Okay, done. It's done. Okay, sit down. Okay, what is letter A? Go sound.
yeah, that's the sound.
What's the sounds of the letter A pala? You're a teacher, you don't know what is your teaching.
Be quiet.
No, I'm asking you, what is the sounds of letter A? Come on.
Okay, what's the sound letter A?
Teacher, what is the sound? You teach us.
What is sound letter A?
What? You teach us nga. We don't know what is the sounds of letter A. Come on.
Okay, stop. You need to be quiet. Okay, what's that?
A tree.
A tree. What is that?
A chicken.
What
Yeah,
is
it's a
called
chicken.
A chicken is more than Minecraft.
Eh,
What's
si katawa ba?
in Minecraft? Why? It's a Minecraft.
It's not Minecraft.
This is a Minecraft, bro.
Puli-puli na po daw mga
How is it? A tree is a lot.
Aba ba nga
The
nag-live
tree
ko?
is in there.
So. Okay. Iron gold. Stop.
Iron gold? Yeah. Iron and
The teacher
gold.
says that iron gold.
Yeah.
Your teacher says that?
No, it's not iron gold. That's the a giant iron gold. Why are you doing it behind?
Teacher Cassandra, you teach kuya properly.
Why did the
Then
story
stop
thing-
doing that. Oh, teacher, do that.
No.
Huh? Stand up.
Okay. What is that? Destroying Einer Gold's house.
Yeah.
Why is there earthquake?
Why?
Like,
Teacher, why? Teach us why.
Helicopter.
Teacher, what happened when the earthquake is coming? What?
What happened?
Oh, pangutan na siya nak.
What happened
What
if the
happened to the
earthquake?
wall?
What
No,
happened if
Kuya is
earthquake-
asking you.
What happened if earthquake come?
Yeah, teacher, teach us how. What happened? What will gonna do?
What is their creeper?
Sama nang teacher, o di man matubag.
Is that creeper?
Stand up ba? Sama ng teachera ni.
Is that a creeper?
Pangutan na siya nak.
Creeper.
What is a creeper?
Dili ba?
The
Pangutan.
creeper like
What is a bed?
Dili ba? Unsay buhaton niya pag kanang mag-earthquake?
What?
Dili.
What will you do if there's an earthquake?
destroy it.
You are a teacher. You're supposed to answer. Come on.
Go.
Okay, what is that? What?
Teacher kasi stand up ba? Sama ng teacher yung piki man eh.
I will face the wall.
Hey, listen.
Let me say.
Kuya asking you ba? Come on.
What will you do?
Ay na.
Okay.
Sige.
What will you do if a earthquake hit you?
And not
What will you do? You were going to stay the house?
outside the house.
You wanna stay in the house? Inside the house?
I want going to see stay in the house.
Ano na?
I want a night.
You go outside. Kuya, what will you do? If
A chicken is.
We go outside and then we do this.
Oh, see? Teacher, listen to your students.
That's
Ano,
because
teachera ni. Buguon mo ni.
Okay, let me say.
that's because we need to do that. So if an object fell down in our back, it will protect us.
See? Teacher, do you understand Kuya says? Do you understand what your student says to you? Come on. Stop. Stop writing. Come here. No, you have to explain us. Igot, Kuya. Pangutan na siya kusab na kay mahurot akong English na.
I didn't.
How do we survive in a tsunami?
What will you do? You wanna go to the beach?
Yes.
Patay kayo.
How's the baby?
Come here ba?
You want something, Palo?
No, you want something palo? Or you want to face the wall? You're a teacher. I'm a principal. What do you want?
Bro, you're the teacher.
No, I'm
Mommy.
You sit down there ba? You ano ba? I am a teacher. Ay, kuya is a teacher na lang.
Cassandra,
I'm the teacher.
Cassandra, this is how to survive.
Wait,
First
here.
we go.
Dali ba?
Teacher.
Stay there ba?
We go into a higher place.
Hi, students. My name is Teacher Cassandra.
Wow. And then?
And then I walked away.
Ano
I walk away.
You walk away. Why? Teacher. Ano sa maning klase nga teacher ni?
Wait, hold it. Why is it chicken?
Quiet, kuya. Stop.
Why is it? There is a chicken outside. Is there chicken outside?
Without chicken, we cannot have chicken for dinner.
Yeah, we get dinner. Our. And what is the house?
Without a house, that means people don't have knowledge to build
Why
a
if
house.
there are? What is that?
Just a drawing.
A drawing? Why is
This
there?
is a drawing book.
Bro, where's the another house?
Bro, you're a teacher, bro.
Where's the another house?
Why you're
Another
asking?
house?
Yeah. Where? Which one?
Only one house.
There?
No,
There?
no.
Why you say no? I will get an X for you.
Why do I have failure?
This. How this?
That? That's the sky.
What is this?
The clouds.
No, there are babies.
No, they're clouds.
Let me see it already.
Teacher daw siya pa.
What is it there?
Patagagumahal.
What is there? A tree.
Oy, teacher.
What?
Stand up. Teacher, dudat pala. Unsa kay nang magluhod na ako ni?
Why is not there?
It's like you're doing like this.
The apple there. Wait, I'll draw an apple.
Apple, okay.
Just
Where do I draw an apple if I drawing? What's it in my picture?
we else.
Draw.
Okay.
What do I
Okay,
need?
teacher.
What is that?
I don't know. What is that, teacher?
A class. And a word.
Actually.
A word is got an F and they got an A. Who wins?
Unsa?
Who wins?
Unsa wins?
Get toy. Okay.
Ganyanin siguro siya ni teacher ba, no? Ganyanin siguro siya.
Quiet. Please be quiet. Last name.
Ginaganyan siguro siya ba?
Face the wall. Face the wall. Face the
Ginaganyan
wall.
siguro siya. Face the wall. Siguro kandidato jud ka na mga face the wall, no?
Okay, let's go watch movie.
Movie na rin, may movie sa school. Nak, na sila yung movie dito, nak.
Oh.
You have a movie?
Ano, yung mga cartoons.
Anong cartoons pinapanood mo?
Tom
There's the TV outside in my school.
Tom and Jerry.
Hoy, Tom and Jerry, hindi panood mo dun sa school?
Masha and the Bear.
Ha?
What's the bear?
Hoy, ano pinapanood mo sa school?
Masha the bear.
Laka. Samot, hindi ka balo.
Now listen to me.
Liti to me daw. Liti to me na di.
Okay.
Liti to me. Liti to me.
What? No. Go. Continue.
Hindi nyo, maestra.
I'm the bad teacher.
You're a bad teacher?
No.
I'm a bad principal too.
I'm the good teacher.
You want hunger?
Oh, I'm a good teacher.
Okay.
You're the good principal.
Okay.
Okay, what is that?
Oh, you answer, kuya. Come here daw.
A.
Ide, halublak mo na. Tiles mo na.
I not to give you the toy. Again.
Again. Again daw.
E F G H I J K.
Again.
Oh, you naman, teacher. What letter is that?
Z.
No, si Cassandra, sa.
What letter is that one?
B, A, B, C, D. Is that it?
It's your turn. What letter is that?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Sige na, I'm listening.
A, B,
Kapoy.
Ayusin mo.
Nagkapoy.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P,
Wala in.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know A, B, C, D.
Nag-memorize na. Tartala.
It's your turn. Dali. Okay.
A B C
Provision
D
naman kayo dyan.
E F
Stop.
H.
Yung teacher na piki. Kuya, sige magkakatawa, kuya. Face the wall.
Face the wall.
Teacher, you said that...
Face the wall.
Patay yun ang bulak ng Bergeron. Sige, kaigo.
I tried to do both.
Nakibaba na ng bintana, anak.
Paano nag-face the wall ako?
Hoy, ano, class dismiss. Okay, break time na.
Break time.
Yeah. Sige na. Mag-prayer na ba? Mag-pray ba with, before mag-go home?
Where's your snack?
Where's your snack too?
Bro, I don't want to eat the snack.
Why?
I don't want to eat.
Show them your snack. Come on.
He can eat his snack.
You go get your snack in there.
I don't have a snack.
You have a snack. You eat that earlier. Pistachio.
Okay.
Ay, wag una, minyis. Ay, feel a moment. Kanina pa.
Okay, my name is Teacher Kat Cassandra.
Panak ka niya.
Face the wall.
Where's your snack? Break pa man. Unsa day ka? Umagani kay sulat dara.
Sulat ka, ha?
Oh, you're shouting. Your teaching shouting at you.
My name is Teacher Kat. Dali, kuya.
Di ba you want ka ng stewardess when you grow up?
Time.
Or you change your mind?
It's already snack time.
No, I'm asking you why you are
It's
changing.
already.
Hoy, Cassandra! You said that you want to be kanang stewardess. Ano niya, daddy? Flight attendant. Why? You said that you want a flight attendant.
I don't want to be the flight attendant. I want to be the teacher because I want.
Because you want. Why?
To be the teacher.
Give me a reason why.
I want the reason, mommy.
Kiat
A
na.
snack is over.
Ha?
Snack is over.
Kuya, tapos ka na nag-eat ng snack. Snack is over daw.
Okay. Then face the wall.
Okay, snack is over.
Wait.
And then you go to
What?
sleep.
What is there creepy? Where? Next. Where's their creep?
Huh? Huh?
Where's their creeper?
What is a creeper, teacher?
Spelling daw.
What? I did. Face the wall.
Sige na lang kag-face daw wala ni Ron. Pero tiyan mo pagka-toxic na maestra day ka.
I am a teacher cat.
Ha?
Why do I go to the
You are a teacher?
Cat.
Cat? Why cat? O dog? Why don't you dog?
Meow, 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 meow. Why?
Teacher cat daw siya. Teacher Cassandra. Cat, di mo pangalan.
Totoong teacher niya yun.
Si Teacher Cat.
Sa school.
Di ba si Aika? Oh.
Pero hindi advisor si Teacher Kat.
Teacher Chucky.
You miss Teacher Chucky. Checky man yun. Nak, ibutan mo ng electric pan dito, nak, please.
But that, I don't know. I call her teacher.
Teacher Checky yun.
Teacher!
Kaya nga.
Why is there a one in black and
Ikaw nag-study na ka. Mag-exam ba yan?
why is there the black and green and red and blue? Why is there the color?
Ano na i-color? Ano sa?
Why is there a color? Without colors,
Yeah.
we're colorblind.
No! Like the black, red, blue was there.
Without blue, we cannot see the sky. It's only black.
X daw. Unsa na yung gisulat-sulat?
Tanan no.
I got the X.
Dili, oy! Taka ramang ka.
Eh?
Nanapod ka.
In your book.
Without,
Inyong bukbuk.
Okay, get your writing pad.
Ah, kaya writing pad. Yan, yung istorya sa mestra ba?
Writing pad, I will palette you.
Unsa? Who your teacher says that?
No.
She want to follow you when you're not getting your writing pad? Yawan mo no? Ang chikikoy. Gimsa man ni mo
Not a
yung...
writing pad.
Gimsa man ni mo yung nong ya?
Where's the writing pad?
nag-accident ko lang nun.
Where's the writing writing pad now.
Diretso
This is
naman.
the writing pad.
What is that pala?
Drawing book.
What's that pala?
This is the writing pad I did.
Oh, what is that pala? What is that?
Alright.
Yeah. What's that?
Drawing book.
That's the writing pad, huh? This is the writing pad.
Sige na, may. Samok ka.